JoliePeak.com is marketed as a Christian-themed online store offering faith-inspired products, apparel, and gifts with messaging designed to connect with people looking for meaningful purchases. But the real question is, can you actually have faith in this store? Now, to be fair, being a Christian-themed store does not automatically make a business more trustworthy or less trustworthy. The bigger question is how the store operates, what it does well. The products may appeal to a specific audience. Faith-inspired items can feel more personal and meaningful. The website may look professional. Modern e-commerce stores can create a polished shopping experience, where the concerns start appearing. Faith-based branding does not guarantee reliability. This is the biggest issue. A religious message alone does not automatically confirm product quality or customer service. Product photos do not guarantee real-world quality. Marketing images can look different from what customers actually receive. Independent reputation may be limited. Less public history can make long-term reliability harder to judge. So, can you have faith in JoliePeak.com? Short answer, judge the store by the business itself, not the branding. Check independent customer experiences, return policies, and payment protections before ordering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.